This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
You all are welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Collins Digital Academy. If this is the first time you are coming across this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe because you'll be learning a lot from this YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to access apps from Play Store which are not available in your country. Okay, have you ever tried to download an app from Play Store and it tells you that this app is not available in your country? So let me show you what I mean. So this app, as you can see, this item is not available in your country. So this app swagbucks is a survey app. If you do survey, you will know. So this app is a survey app. So I'm trying to download this from Play Store and it is saying this item is not available in your country. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem right away. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to create a Gmail account. The first thing you need to do is to create a Gmail account using the country region where which this app is accepted. Okay, so what I mean is let's say this app is available in the United Kingdom, which is the UK. You can create a Gmail account which is which the region is centered to the UK. That is, the location is centered in the UK. Okay, so let me show you guys what I mean. So I'm just going to create a Gmail account real quick. So I'm going to go to Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to connect to a VPN. Okay, you need to connect to a VPN which will enable you create a UK or a US Gmail account in order for you to access that app. Okay, so I'm going to connect my VPN. As you can see, it is in United Kingdom already, so I'm going to connect my VPN. So let's wait for it to connect. I think my network is slow, so let's just wait for it. It doesn't take time to connect. So you can use any VPN of your choice. So this is the one I prefer using. So you can use any VPN of your choice, it will work. Okay, all right, it has connected. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go over to my Gmail to create the account. Okay, so I'm going to click on add account. I'm going to click on Google. So I'm going to use the normal way of creating a Gmail account to create this account. Okay, all you need to do is to connect to a VPN. Any VPN can work. You don't need a paid VPN for this. Okay, so you click on create account for my personal use. Okay, let's just wait for it. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people. So I'm going to input my name here, Coach Collins. So I'm going to click on next and then input my date of birth. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just use any date of birth. Okay, I'll just use any date of birth. Let me see, 2000, and then I'll just select gender male and then click on next. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now this is 100% legit, so there's no illegal stuff here. You're just creating a Gmail account, making your location to be in the UK. Okay, so that you can be allowed to download the app from Play Store. All right, so let's just wait for it to load, and then it will ask me to select. So I'm going to select this one, or maybe let's use this suggested one. Then I'll click on next, and then I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to pause this video and enter my password. Alright, so after entering my password, I'm going to click on next. And then this is my Gmail account. So I'm going to click on next. Click on I agree. So just wait for it. Alright, so the Gmail account has been created. Okay, so this is it at the bottom right here. So this is it here. This is it here. This is it here. Okay, so the Gmail account has been created. So let's go over to Play Store. So let's go over to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. So this is the app we want to download. Okay, swagbucks. So all we need to do is to go back, then click on the Gmail on our profile. So this is the Gmail. This is the Gmail which I'm currently using, which is centered on Nigeria. The location is in Nigeria. So I'm just going to click on this drop down menu right here. Click on this drop down menu right here. This drop down menu right here. So I'm just going to click on it and then scroll down and then select the Gmail I just created, which is this one. So I'm just going to select it. And then accept, and then you can see the settings of the Play Store has changed. So you can see you can now buy books, search, and apps, games, and the rest. So if you notice, this is not how Nigerian this is not how Nigerian Play Store looks like. So okay, so this is a UK. The Play Store is now assuming to be for UK, for those in UK. Okay, so let's search for the app and download it. So swagbucks, swag. So this is the app. So as you can see, this is the app. I can now install this app without any restriction. So this is the app. So I'm just going to click on install and install this app without any restriction. So this is how you overcome, this is how you bypass stuffs like this when you try to download an app from Play Store and you don't, and that app is not allowed in your country. All you need to do is to create a Gmail account using with the aid of a VPN. You change your location to that country which is eligible to download the app. So all you need to do is to use a VPN to change your location, then create the Gmail account, then come back to download the app. This is very easy. So if you find this tutorial helpful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you'll be learning a lot from this channel. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people who needs it. You can also share this video to your friend because this video might be helpful to them. Okay, so I still remain Coach Collins, and I'll see you guys in the other side. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.